Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Rinlali Pramudia. So today in this video, I would like to discuss about the summary of a research article and the research article with the English material development. So let's watch this video together. So the first article or the first summary of research article is the title for the research article is critical evaluation of text difficulty development in ELT textbook series, a corpus-based approach using variability neighbor clustering by Alpin, Cheng, Hessian, Chen. The summary is, although the importance of English language teaching or ELT textbook is widely acknowledged, there have been several evaluations that have considered less importance of developing textbook difficulties in the textbook series, and the different textbook series in Taiwan, the place of the research, the reason for which are said to be generalizable to the other ELT contexts. There are two methodological in this research article emphasis in this study. The first, the qualitative research method is used to measure text difficulty with a BNC corpus-based frequency list and a complete set of well-established legibility formulas, and taking into account the vocabulary and the complexity of the text structure. And the second is using a statistical algorithm based on clustering neighbor variability, and the aim or the purpose is to identify the stage of development in the text difficulties empirically. And then is from the result of the author research, he concluded the progress in the text difficulty in two important dimensions. There is vocabulary and structural complexity. Then the authors conclude the corpus-based evaluation that he did the development of difficulties in the textbooks series may not only fit the local needs of the Taiwan high school curriculum but also provide a general framework for the assessment of ELT material in other globally. So what the related this research article with English material development course? Good material development can be done by evaluation the teaching materials that will be developed, and the ELT books can be developed into good English material by evaluating the level of difficulty contained in the ELT books, including evaluation the difficulty level of the text difficulty. By knowing the level of difficulty of the material to be developed, we can develop English material properly and produce suitable material for our student. So next to the summary of research article 2. The title from the summary of research article 2 is Perception of Senior Year ELT Student for Flipped Classroom, a material development course, by the author is Muge Adnan. The author described this paper describing a structured attempt to integrate the flipped classroom model into senior level course at the higher education level. The aim or the purpose of his research was to examine compare the impact of the curved versus unwrapped classroom as a mean of contributing to the research pathway uh, of made out along with student perception of their learning experience, and the adopting action research principles. Data collection was carried out using the student grades, weekly electronic journal entries, guide, final journal entries, and the focus group interviews as data collection tools. And the data analysis use qualitative methods to generate 48 codes in 5 main categories. The first is the content delivery. The second is the instructor attends, and the next is student attends, and number 4 is learning and development, and the last or the number 5 is learning experience. And the result indicate a mostly positive perception and a satisfying learning experience. And the aim or the purpose of the study was to compare the student academic performance under two methodologies, namely the flipped and the non-flipped classroom models. In addition to investigating the perception of student learning experience, the results show positive perception on and satisfying learning experience among students. Answer presently, answer presently, students of the main senior years course are especially worried about heavy workloads and time constraints. So what they relates this summary, this article research with the English material development. So the related is based on the research result about student can achieve the learning satisfaction if the material they are studying is suitable and easy for them to achieve. And the development of good learning material is being able to develop suitable learning materials so as to produce the satisfaction in learning, including in the development of English language material. So I think that's all I can explain about the summary of research article and the research article with English material development. Thank you very much for watching this video. Goodbye and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.